Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Zattoo application on your Android TV, especially if you have the Google Play Store app installed to your Android TV. So this is quite simple. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want more videos like this. Now, what you have to do, as you can see on my screen, I don't have Google Play Store, but I'm going to be using my browser. This is my Google browser. You can use any other browser. It can be Chrome, it can be a system browser, or it can be a customized browser. Whatever option you're using, the process is still the same. You go over to your browser, go to the search box of your browser, and type the name of the application that you want. And in this case, is Zattoo app. Now, I'll just go over here where I have the option Zattoo app. Now, the reason I'm typing Zattoo app is because once you type on your browser, you're going to have tons of options in which you can install that particular application. And as you can see on my screen, here's the first option, which is the web version of Google Play Store. Now, the web version of the Google Play Store is the safest option to install this application because it's going to tell you if the application is compatible to your Android TV or if it is available in your country. Now, the application is compatible to my Android TV, but my only option here or my only problem here is that the application is not available in the country in which I am currently residing in. So that's the only reason I cannot install the application on my Android TV right now. But you watching this video, if you are residing in a country that supports the application or in a country that the application is available in, you can install it with this option without any issues. Just go over here and you see the install button. Now there is a way to bypass this, which is by using a VPN. But even if you use a VPN to install the application, you still need a VPN to use the application. But anyway, in the description of this video, I've added a VPN they can use to stay secure on the internet. So that's a way they can use to install the application, even if you are not residing in the country that supports it. Now, if this option doesn't work for you, they can scroll down. There are other options like third-party options where you can install the application, like from a site like Aptoy. You can come over here and install the application from here. But as I said, the application will not work on your Android TV if you are not using a VPN because this application is geologically locked to work only in particular applications. So you can use the web version, which is the safest if you are residing in a country that the application is available in. For me, that is just the best option. So that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.